Morning guys, how are we doing? I hope you are well. Just on my way back from work, just finished. Got my 4 days off now. Looking forward to them. Although it is meant to be pretty crap weather, so that's a bit of a shame. Happy Jubilee weekend and all that if you're getting your 4 days off. I'm recording this on the Friday. Although when you see this it'll be probably a week or two later, I can't really remember. Really wish I had my sunglasses on. Not because it's too sunny, it's just I like having my visor open and riding along, and my eyes are now streaming. That was nice. So if you're following my Instagram page, you'll know that I put the Aqua back on this bike just because I'm going on tour next week and its Pro Race is not compatible with panniers. Well, I asked Pro Race and they said that it should be, but they're not going to guarantee that pretty much, so I ain't going to take no risks. But as you can probably hear, that is not my acro. I literally put it on for a day, took it for a run, see how I got on with it, and I hated it. It is so naff. You literally get no sound from that whatsoever. So I've decided that I'm going to put the acro on when I need to use my panniers, but the rest of the time this is going back on. I mean, it takes me all of 10-15 minutes to change the exhaust over, so it's not the end of the world. And this is so much better, this Pro Race exhaust. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. I was going to buy a complete new system, but I've decided against that because, well, it's just more money that I'm wasting pretty much. Well, I've got a perfectly good end can, i.e. the Pro Race, and then I've got the touring can, I'm going to call it from now on, which is my acro, which is pants, but it ain't going to burn a hole in my panniers, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Well, I'm not going to bore you with this road because I'm on this road for a fair bit. I will come back to you when I'm on something a bit more interesting than just boring bypass. Right, so we're back on some slightly more interesting roads. I don't want to have you on the vlog just looking at bypass, that's no fun, is it? I haven't actually been home this way in quite a while, so I don't really know what to expect. Obviously, regards to the road conditions and all that. I used to come home this way all the time because of where I lived, but I moved house, and then now it's easier to go the boring way home, but it's just quicker. So basically, guys, this video is about me just giving you the heads up that there may be a week where I miss a video. And that is due to the fact that I'm going on tour to the lakeside. No, I'm not going on tour to the lakeside. The amount of times I said that, lakeside. No, I'm not. I'm not going shopping on the bike. I'm going to Lake District. I'm going to the Lake District. I'll get it right one day. I'm going on tour to the Lake District. There you go. And basically, I've got so much to do between now and then. I just don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get a video out, edited, and scheduled for while I'm away. I mean, I'm going to try, don't get me wrong, I will try, but there's just so much going on at the moment that I don't know if I'm going to have time. Oh. Traffic lights, what? Part of the best bit of the road. Ah, oh, really? Oh yeah, I would have to stop, wouldn't I? Oh, never mind, I'll talk to you guys. Yeah, so I think I'm going to struggle to get a video out to you, but stick with me because the video after that one will be the start of my tour of the lakeside. No! Tour of the Lake District. Tour of the Lake, I keep saying lakeside. It will be the start of a few videos of me down in Lake District. There you go. So although I may not have a video out after this one, and I'm hoping it's only going to be for maybe a week, there will be the series of me when I'm down in the Lake District, so they'll be worth watching. I've never been to the Lake District before, so I have no idea what to expect. I'm sure I have been told the roads are amazing, scenery is beautiful, so I'm thoroughly looking forward to that. What are we doing? 60-mile-an-hour road and you want to do 44, 45. Oh, I think I need a dispatch of him or her. Oh my god. Get rid of her, enjoy the road for a bit and go back to a 40-mile-an-hour. Lovely. This road is great fun, but it's full of 40-mile-an-hour, 30-mile-an-hour, 40-mile-an-hour. It's just constant. But yeah, back to my trip. Yeah, really looking forward to it. I can't wait. I'm taking my drone with me. I say that all the time I know in my videos. Oh, I take my drone with me. I'm taking it with me. I am taking it. I did crash it, and it's not exactly in the best condition, shall we say, but it flies, so I'll take it with me. Hopefully get you some decent footage of the area. Like I said, I've been told the scenery around the Lake District is absolutely beautiful, so I want to be able to share that with you guys when I'm away. Oh, poor little thing. I hate seeing dead animals. I'm not much of a people person, but animals, I do love animals. No, I'm not a vegan. I probably should be, but I like eating them as well. What can I say? So while I'm away, I might try and do some of these YouTube short videos or whatever they are. I don't really know what they are. I've never done one before. I no idea how it works. But while away, I'll try one out and see what happens. If it doesn't appear on my channel, then I couldn't work it out because I ain't that tech savvy. So, but we'll try. We'll give it a go. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. It was just a pretty much a heads up that there may not be a video coming out at some point. I know I'll try and get one out every Monday, but unfortunately times and all that is I'm struggling. But stick with me. My Lake District, not Lakeside, my Lake District tour will be coming out very shortly. As soon as I'm home, I will start editing them, and they should be out the week after the missing video. I'm now going home to do boring stuff like cut the grass because I've got visitors today. And you've got to make the garden look nice, don't you? Especially on a day like today, because I'll probably be sitting out in the garden. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. and I shall see you on the next one. Catch you later.